Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 17, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 17, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, May 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 17, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 42.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for May 17, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 17, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.